Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to set up DLS 5 and connect to your DSC Neo using the PC link cable. So you've got your PC link cable, you got your end that connects to the board here, and you got your USB end. First, what you want to do is take this end, connect it onto the 4 pins, not over the red pin, with the green touching the white line, as so. Then you want to take your USB cable and plug it into your laptop or desktop, whichever one you're using. If you're using a laptop, you just want to make sure that it's not charging. If it is, just pull the charger out, then plug it in. Okay, now that we've connected our DSC Neo to our desktop or laptop, we want to go through to our downloads once we've got DLS 5, the latest version, and we want to install it. So just double click. From here it will take me through to allowing it, so I go yes. You guys won't be able to see this. Now I'm on country. If I hit N, it brings up New Zealand. There we go. So next, accept, standard DLS 5, install. This could take a little while, so I'll just cut away, and then once it's done I'll jump back. Okay, now that that is finished setting up, we can go through, next, finish, finish. That'll set it up. Just drop that down. Okay. Default pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can see here that I've already got one profile loaded. You get this when, if you've got an older version of DLS 5 and you want to update, you remove that version and it allows you to keep your profiles that already exist, and then when you install the new version, they'll load into that new version. To see your version number, you just check up the top, and to create an account, we just go here. So what we're going to do is we'll go through and make an account for the Neo that I've got connected. So I'll just put this as test 2. And then I need to select the correct version, so it's an HS 2016 and it's a 1.3 NZ. There we go. I want to choose PSTN, and then my phone number, just whack in some digits, no account template, and for DLS access code, we just want to do 201600. That's default. Click open account if you want to get going right away and create it. Okay, so what you'll see if I hit upload right now, go override with PC link, don't hang up automatically, it's going to come up that there's no COM port. So what you want to do is go down to your bottom left, right click, and you want to go to device manager, and then you want to go to ports, COM port and LPT. Click drop down, and this is where you can see what serial you're using. So I'm using COM5. So I can close that, and then I can go to my tools, close that as well, go to tools, modem configuration or modem manager configuration. I want to set port as COM5, and then for MD12 as well, just so there's no conflicts, set that as COM5 as well. Okay. And from here, I should be good just to hit global upload. What this will do is it will pull all the information that's currently on the panel into DLS 5, so you have a template of what is currently loaded. If there's nothing loaded, then it will just pull the default settings. So, load. Okay. And this will take a second just to go through. If you want to see what's happening or the progress of your comms, you can open up communications, which is just here, widen that, and then you'll see your progress right here. Okay. Show me that again. So now I've got my upload from my panel, so I can see anything that's attached. So if you had any extras like a TR280 or an expansion board or anything, that would show up on your system. I can see what partitions I have, what zones I've got set up, or any PGMs that I would have set up. you're able to add users. So here, I've got Bob2222. If I want to add another user, so Frank, and then I'll just make his user code 3333. Sweet. You can see here you've got a little shield with a red arrow. That is your download arrow, just telling you, hey, you've made a change, you need to download this to your panel before you exit off. So I can change that. Then if I want to go into partitions, I've got all my partition options, so I can make my changes here. If you want to open up extras, see how you got the pluses along the top, all you do is double click and it gives you the rest of the lanes. To close it again, double click and it closes it. Same with your users when it comes to attributes. You want to expand it, double click, and it gives you all your user attributes. Then you can jump through your zones, schedule, communication systems, PGMs, wireless, keypad, and so forth. You're able to change pretty much everything from DLS 5. Once you've made all your changes and you're all happy with what you've got, then you can go back to your global download. This will tell you if you've got any errors in your setup. In this case, I just haven't changed the default pin and maybe a couple other things, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. Yes, and then automatically hang up when finished. If you're done, then you can tick that, and once it's done, it will hang up on the panel. Otherwise, you can leave it and it won't hang up, and you can do it manually later. So going through our communication job again, and we can see the progress. Okay, so once that's completed, you're all done. Any settings or changes that you've made should be uploaded to your panel and you should be good to go. Only last thing that I've got to add is if you're having an issue where you've connected your PC link cable from the panel to your laptop and it's not working, either open it up in Administrator or you can go to your Task Manager. This might be another issue. Then you want to go to Services, click on Name, then you want to hit M, and there you'll see MCPH. This is the DSC communication or comms communicator. Sweet, and you just want to restart it, and that restarts that. So it just manages the COM ports for DLS 5. Once you've done that, close it. Have another go at reconnecting to your panel and it should work. Anyway, that's all. Have a good day.